look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 1LT Preferred Equipment Group, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, available in cloth or leather, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, brownstone metallic, jet black, leather appointed seat trim, Chevrolet Malik audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touch navigation with FM3 STEM HD, USB ports, trailer brake controller, integrated engine, 5.3L flex fuel Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, direct injection and variable valve timing, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED. Emissions: Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements and the All-Star Edition. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.